Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe Brown, and if you're new here, I'm so happy that you're here. Today I am going to show you this summer makeup look. It's very glowy and it is very, very simple. Most of the things that I use today are from the drugstore, and I really like cream-based products, so I used a lot of Physicians Formula butter collection because I love their butter collection. Their highlighters are just beautiful. That's what I used on my eyes today. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. I have not moisturized my face today. I got prescribed a whole acne regimen recently, and ever since then I'm supposed to use non-comedogenic. Is that how you say it? I'm supposed to use some lotion that doesn't clog your pores. So this one I really like. This is the CeraVe one. It really works well on my skin. It kind of like soaks up and it's not oily. I tried the Cetaphil one and I hated it. I returned it because it was so oily. But I just rub this all over my skin. Because of my acne medication, my skin is pretty dry. It like flakes off every now and again. It's okay. It works. I have like one pimple right now, so I'm doing good. Also, I use the cream one just in my problem areas. So like right here is really dry, on my nose gets quite dry, so I just really want to give that a little bit extra love. Something that I've been using because it's so hot right now, if say I'm going out with no makeup on, I put on the Enrich Moisturizing Face Lotion. It has SPF 15 in it. It's from Trader Joe's. I've been using this for years, so this is what I use if I don't wear makeup. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye from It Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit, rub it on my fingers, and then dab it right underneath my eyes, just for concealing all that redness. I do have hyperpigmentation. It's getting a lot better, but it's still there. Now, I don't wear sunscreen on the days I do wear makeup because my sunscreen has SPF 50 in it. This is the It Cosmetics CC Cream Plus. This is the regular one. It's full coverage. I'm not going to use a ton of it, so I just put 2 little squirts on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to place little dabs of it all over my face. And I'm going to try to do a lighter coverage because this is more of a summer simple look. This beauty blender is very damp as well. This is the Morphe Sculpting Beauty Blender. I mean, I technically don't think that they can call it beauty blenders because it's a company, but it is a makeup sponge. This one's my favorite. I will link too, actually. I really like this one. And then there's some from Amazon that are really good too, that I like, that are super cheap. Okay, no matter what I do set my under eyes because they do crease. This is the Leisure Minerals setting powder. This is the translucent glow color. I will put, everything will be in the description box below in order of how I used it. So I'm literally just gonna do that to my under eyes and I'm gonna wipe it away in a second. All right, bronzer. I mean, typically everything's the same. So this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This stuff, I just love it so much. So much. The brushes, the majority of the brushes I'm using today are from Morphe, and they are like a vegan brush set. So this comes in there. The only one that's not in there is my blush brush, but it's because I lost my blush brush, so I use a different one. But see, I just bring the bronzer all down my neck, put some on my shoulders because that's a little shimmer in it. And then I'm just going to take a little bit and then brush all my setting powder away. And that kind of gets the bronzer on my eyes. Okay, now that we're all bronzed up, it's coming together. Now say if you want to try these bronzers and blushes and highlighters that I'm going to be using the majority of them. Physicians Formula came up with like a little baby set. It is so cute. Here, let me show it to you. So these 4 things come. So this is the blush. This is the bronzer color that I use. It comes with 2 eyeshadows, and then it comes with a highlighter. This highlighter is what I use on my inner corner highlighter all the time. It's beautiful. I will have to say, one of my favorite formulas of theirs is their their butter highlighters. Look at this color. This is in the color Rose Gold, but I love it as an eyeshadow, and I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow today. Let's go in with this little baby blush today. This is Natural Glow. It does have like gold flecks in it. It's really pretty. It reminds me of like a semi highlighter. So we're just going to brush that all up along. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, I love it. Just up along the cheekbone. So I'm not necessarily just going to keep it on my cheeks. I'm just going to rub it all the way up. So it adds that glow. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to go in and put a little bit of this on our eyes. Just like so. Just to add a little bit of that color in there. I really like that pink kind of look for summer. It's like you use your blush, you use your bronzer, you save the money all in one. Now I'm going to go back to this butter highlighter, and it is so creamy that you literally just like, it feels like it's a cream product. No joke. And I'm just going to put this on the lids of my eye. And you can just tell the pigment is so pretty. Look. Take a look at that. Dang it. There we go. It is just so pretty. Pure cream. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go back in with the bronzer just to blend everything. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. It's just whenever I use my finger, I'm kind of all over the place with it. So I like to blend it out so it looks more like I applied it with a brush than my finger. Now I'm just gonna go in and take a dark brown color, and I'm just going to line the outside of my eye. You can use any dark brown color, it really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to tap a little bit of brown on the outside right there. And this is just a flat brush. And then I'm gonna take the brush again, the one that has my bronzer on it, and I'm just going to buff that in. Just to blend everything out. Okay, L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I always revert back to this, no matter how many times I use one mascara or another. I just always revert back to this one. So I've noticed a lot of people during the summer, they don't do a ton of mascara. It's just very simple, and it's kind of like eyelashes are a little shorter. I'm so used to making my eyelashes look super long and thick, but I have to remember for summer, just tame it back, just do a little bit of definition. It's all about the face rather than focusing so much on the eyes. So with the mascara, I'm really trying to focus it right at the lash line. I don't want to necessarily bring it up and make my eyelashes look too long. I really want to just have it be thick right at the base of the lashes. Okay, now that my mascara is on, I'm going to go in with the Pearl highlighter. And this is the same creamy formula as the Rose Gold one, but it's very white. I don't like to use this on my cheeks. I just like to use it on inner corner highlight. For lipstick, there's a lot of different things that you can do. You can just do like regular lip gloss. During the summertime, I feel like I don't wear lipstick because, I don't know, it's just too much. So I like using like a lip gloss. I use Lip Sense, the clear gloss, a lot. I used to use Lip Sense all the time, but I don't really wear the lipsticks anymore, but I like the gloss a lot, so I will wear that. And then I've been gravitating towards these buttered, I wouldn't say they're like chapsticks, but they're lip glosses, but they're like a lipstick, but they have SPF 15 in them. I love them because they're very easy. If you find the right color. Some of them are a little too much, but I just dab in the middle of my lips, and then I don't like to like rub it back and forth. I feel like too much makeup or too much lipstick gets on your lips when you do that, and then I'll just take the gloss and I will put it right in the middle to just make it really glossy. Now, I'm not saying go spend a ton of money on Lip Sense lip gloss. That's ridiculous. I just have it, so I haven't bought like just a clear lip gloss because I already have this. Now, setting spray. I want my face to feel dewy and I want it to feel pretty. Okay, so Pixi came out with like their Rose line recently. This is their Rose Glow Mist. So shake it up. You can use it before you put your makeup on or after. I'm gonna use it after because I want that glow. And I really like their squirter bottles because they're just a really, really fine mist. So just put a little extra on there. It feels really good. I usually use the Mario Badescu facial spray as my setting spray, but I really wanted it to be dewy finish, kind of like I don't have makeup on, but I have makeup on. All right, last little tip. Let's go to shoulders, okay? Summertime shoulders, you're wearing tank tops a lot. Let's put highlighter on the parts that catch the sun. So your collarbones, or just so that the sun can catch everything, and then just right on your shoulders right there. So you have like a little glow. All right, thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that this tutorial was something that you feel you can accomplish and do at home on your everyday for summer. I think this is a great poolside makeup. If you want, throw on some waterproof mascara so that it doesn't run. Why not? Also, let's talk about my hair really quick. I bought this at Forever 21. It's like, I wanted like a scarf scrunchie, but I didn't want it super long. So I'll put the link down below for that. And I literally just put my hair half up, half down and just kind of did the thing. It's not perfect, but it's summer, so